Welcome back, children. So today we will do Golgi apparatus. This was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. The Golgi apparatus consists of flattened vesicles which are called as cisternae. The Golgi apparatus is mainly responsible for packaging and delivery of various substances within the cell. Now, various substances which are made and which needs to be dispatched from one part of the cell to the other, that is mainly done through Golgi apparatus. Now, Golgi apparatus also is involved sometimes in forming complex sugar from simple sugar. Golgi apparatus also helps in making lysosomes. Now, this Golgi apparatus, when it is present in plants, they are called as dictyosome. Right? So, Golgi apparatus, you can say, supports the endoplasmic reticulum by helping in storage, modification and dispatch of substances to different regions of the cell. So in that way, you can say it also helps endoplasmic reticulum in this work of providing substances, necessary substances to different part within the cell apart from the endoplasmic reticulum. Now, apart from Golgi body, another very important structure which is there is lysosome. Now, lysosomes are structures which are found only in animal cell. Lysosomes are not found in plant cell. Remember. Now, these lysosomes, they contain proteolytic enzymes. Remember. These are also membrane-bound structures. They contain proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic enzymes means proteo comes from the word protein and lytic means to break. Means they contain enzymes which are capable of breaking down proteins. Lysosomes help in digesting worn out cells, any foreign body which enters the cell, any bacteria which enters the cell, even any germ which enters the cell, all will get digested by these lysosomes. On the other hand, if the lysosomes get broken somehow, then all the proteolytic enzyme will come out of the lysosome and it will start digesting the whole cell, the inner content of the cell and the whole cell. That means the cell will die. Hence, lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags. That is why lysosomes are also known as suicidal bags of a cell, because it is capable of causing death to the cell by releasing this proteolytic enzyme and digesting all the inner organelles including the nucleus. So ultimately the cell will die. For this reason, lysosomes are called as suicidal bag of a cell. So all these proteolytic enzymes which are present inside the lysosome, all of them, they are formed mainly in the Golgi apparatus. Clear? You can also say that lysosomes are formed by Golgi apparatus. Next we come to the another important structure which is called as mitochondria. Now mitochondria is a cell organelle which has two membranes. Outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is thrown inside the mitochondria in the shape of projections, in the form of projections, which are called as cristae. Now, these projections inside is because to increase the surface area for the biochemical reactions which help in oxidation of food. That means mitochondria is responsible for cellular respiration, for the liberation of energy in the form of ATP. I think you have already learned about this term, adenosine triphosphate. So energy is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP. So biochemical reactions occur inside the mitochondria, especially the inner membrane of mitochondria, and it helps in oxidizing the food to release energy in the form of ATP. Now with ATP is the energy currency of the cell. All cellular activities occur by utilizing this ATP. Clear? Now mitochondria is very peculiar. Why you know? Because mitochondria is the organelle. One more organelle also there. Mitochondria is the organelle which has its own DNA as well as its own ribosome. This is very peculiar about mitochondria. For this reason, mitochondria is capable of making some proteins which are exclusively for its own self. So you must remember, this is one important characteristic of mitochondria, that mitochondria has its own DNA. Clear? As well as it has some own ribosome for making some specific proteins only for itself. Thank you.